So, good morning to all of you. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about PC 660, that is chemotherapy and immunopharmacology, Unit 4. And in Unit 4, there is two topics. One is quinolone and another one is aminoglycoside. So, in this video, I am going to discuss about quinolone. So, quinolone, as you know, these are the antimicrobial agents. These quinolones are really not a antibiotic. The reason is these are not a antibiotic. Uh, as you know, as per the definition of the antibiotics means something that is produced by another living substance. So these are not the agents which are obtained or which are produced by another living substances. These are the chemicals which are uh, produced during the chloroquine synthesis. These are the byproduct of chloroquine synthesis. So this quinolone has been obtained. So during the 1960, the first quinolone which is obtained during the process of chloroquine synthesis, byproduct of chloroquine synthesis, that is well known as naldixic acid. Naldixic acids. So this is the first quinolones, naldixic acids, and this naldixic acid has very narrow spectrum activity, narrow spectrum, as well as there is a problem uh, with kinetic properties. It's unfavorable pharmacokinetic properties. So later on, these various analogues of naldixic acids has been formed, and during particularly in 1980s, this naldixic acid is modified to a fluoroquinolones. Fluorine atom is attached and modification is done, and fluoroquinolone has been discovered. And these fluoroquinolones has broad spectrum activities, as well as their kinetic properties are favorable pharmacokinetic properties. So these fluoroquinolones are well-known antimicrobial agents which are used in the treatment of various types of infections. And there is a various generations of fluoroquinolones. First generations fluoroquinolones are norfloxacins, norfloxacins, lomifloxacins. These are the first generations. Then second generations are your ciprofloxacin, ofloxacin. Third generations fluoroquinolones are your levofloxacin, which is obtained from the ofloxacin. Levo form is levofloxacin, gatifloxacins. And there is now fourth generations, these fluoroquinolone are moxifloxacin. And these first generations are mainly active against gram negative bacteria, and these second and third generations are active against gram positive also. And fourth generation is a broadest spectrums. They are active against uh, broader spectrums. Broader spectrum means they are active against gram positive as well as gram negative, as well as anaerobic bacteria also, mycobacteria also. And these some of fluoroquinolones, if you see the classification of antituberculosis, you will get these agents in antituberculosis classes also. So these are the various fluoroquinolones which are available in the market. So next is how they kill the bacteria, and these fluoroquinolones all are bactericidal in nature. bactericidal in nature. So these are the bactericidal in nature. So next videos I will discuss about its mechanisms, how they will kill the bacteria and their adverse drug reactions and contraindications. Thank you.